Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, we will start our work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? And I can see many new faces today in my class. I want to welcome all new children, those who are attending our class for the first time. Let me make one thing very clear, don't get confused. Your classes will actually get started from next class, है ना? Because today, as you must be wondering that we have not completed the drawing. So not to worry, you will get the recording of this class after completing the session, and you will get the recording of previous class also, with help of which you will be able to draw it. And your classes will actually get started from next class. We will be starting new artwork, okay? So this way you will get benefit of 2 extra classes. So hopefully those who are attending class for the first time, their doubt is clear, okay? And as you are now part of Hydro family, and I'm very thankful to Almighty God that our family is expanding and increasing day by day. And today, with step-by-step drawing and coloring guidance, we are going to learn how to go with pencil shading. Last class, we learned how to draw face. And like kids, they love to draw face. So we learn this, how to develop a face, keeping all technical points in mind. So I will request all of you to revise with help of recorded session so that you can get deeper and better understanding of face study. So chalo, now without delay, we will start with our work. So those who are attending a class for the first time, welcome to you all, and you be with us, you enjoy stories, okay? And afterwards, with help of recorded session of today and previous class, you can finish this work, okay? And enjoy your classes, which will be scheduled from next class when we will be starting with the new artwork, okay? So don't worry about that. You will get benefit of 2 extra classes this way. So see, last class with letters and numbers, we learn it with keeping all technical points in mind. First, I want to check how you all did. Will you please lift up files and show your work? Yeah, I will check everyone's work. And now, step by step, I will show you, guide you how to move ahead, okay? So lovely and so beautiful. Like each and every technical point you keep in mind, you kept in mind, and you did such amazing work. I'm very happy with complete output. Very good. Okay, and revision will clear all other doubts also. Please revise, okay? ठीक है. Now let's come back to work and let's get started with. ठीक है. So see, first, like last class we completed this and I told you not to give outlines as we are going to, and I'm going to use 8B pencil. This is my 8B shading pencil. है ना? If you have any other, but it should be more than 5 or 6B, because less than 5B, the output is not good. It's not color, shading is not that prominent. So see, when you are going for pencil shading, after completing your sketching part, first you will clean unwanted lines. You can see in this artwork there are so many unwanted lines. We made the standing scale. All these lines which we use for making scale and all, you will erase, and only final lines you will keep. Okay, so what will happen, like here also in hair, so many lines are there, in ears, and you will keep final lines with you so that there would be no doubt that which lines you are supposed to finalize, and on that you are supposed to give shades. So yes, I will clean my work. So this is very important part. Even when we do with watercolor painting, in that also after completing drawing, we clean our work, because in that also if you want to give outlines, it is the last part to be done. So see, this is erase soft lines of, and now your drawing is ready. There is no confusion that which lines are final. It's very clear with final lines. Okay, yeah, finish this. Even here, like this line of jury that is coming, because these lines will otherwise keep reflecting and will spoil your work. So we will clean it so that when we will be giving pencil shading, these lines will not disturb and affect the neatness of our work. Okay, so clean your work, come on. Wherever you find unwanted lines, clean it first. And now we are going to switch on to our shading pencil. We need a small piece of paper, and if it is like used from one side should be blank. Okay, this kind of piece of paper and any rough paper on which you can place your hand, because pencil shading like drawing, your hand should not touch that. Okay, so as our shading part should be untouched, we will try to do it from down to lower side. Okay, we will try to do this, otherwise we can place a paper and keep our hand over. Yes, all of you erase all the lines. And today I am going to share one more story of Lord Buddha. In the last class I shared the story of Angulimala. Today I will be sharing a story when he was propagating this law of Pundarik Sutra, that's Gyan, which he achieved after deep meditation in Bodhi Gaya. So he was simply traveling and wanted to spread this Buddhism philosophy everywhere. So he visited to one village, and till this time, like, he was very famous. Lord Buddha was very famous, and it was a general thought in people's mind that Lord Buddha can do impossible possible, can turn poison of life in medicine. So everyone was having strong belief in this philosophy of Buddhism and in Lord Buddha. Okay? Now, will you please lift up files and show your work? Hopefully all would have done. Yes, okay. Now what we will do, we will take a piece of paper and not keeping on it, you will take a rough paper and or a rough file, and on that you will keep it and you will do. So I will take a rough surface. I will keep this paper over and I will take 8B pencil. Now you will take your shading pencil. Okay? And now what you will do, you will move your shading pencil on this. I will go very slow so that you can understand each and every step very nicely. And these tricks and techniques which I am teaching you will help you finding extremely beautiful and outstanding output. Come on. Now what we did actually, we actually collected few lines of pencil shading. So this is, we are collecting charcoal over paper. Okay, and we will spread it. So what will happen, you will find a very even and grey output. Come on, do this. Okay, so after doing this, yes, do this. Done? Yeah. All of you collect some charcoal and whatever pencil you have. If you have many, to use the highest. Now, what you will do, you will turn this part downwards and you will start spreading softly. See, this spreading will give you soft and even grey background everywhere. You will go in here also, and then softly you will do, otherwise the lines of pencil where you draw now, that will also get merged. Can you see this very soft and even look of this? Don't press it harsh, otherwise your all lines will disappear. Okay? So we will do it softly so that the drawing part will not disappear, and you will spread. So, okay, till this much I did. I will collect charcoal one more time. Yeah, I will show the artwork. Let me show this. We will simply take this vase. You will turn it down and softly you will spread in ear, face, neck, everywhere you will spread it. As I am using 8B pencil, just in 2 efforts you can see my work is done. Okay, come on, do this. Yeah, do this nicely. This is grey color I spread everywhere, and what I did, I simply collected charcoal on paper. I turn it downwards and spread softly. Don't pressurize it too much, otherwise your sketching part will disappear. Those lines will also get smudged. So can you see this output which we find, which is grey but very even and very soft. है ना? तो this technique will help you finding amazing and lovely output. Be ready with your earbud also, because we are going to use earbud also a lot. I'll wait for all of you so that you all could finish this much. है ना? With and those who are having like 5B or 6B pencil, they will have to apply 3 to 4 times this kind of coat. As my pencil is 8B, so the intensity of this darkness is quite high. So in 2 strokes, like I found the desired result, and I spread and make it softly grey. Okay, and every time when you will be doing work, you will not place your hand over, because it will smudge. Otherwise, you will place a paper on that, you will put your hands and you will do your work. Okay, so we need a rough paper also. Any rough paper you can use, and we will do work this way. Okay, and many times children ask, ma'am, how to protect like pencil shedding work, because by the time the shedding it start getting smudged. So say in market fixative spray is available, है ना, but it's chemical based. So be very much careful while spraying, है ना, spray on in open if you want to protect, है ना, even for dry pastel colors, है ना, that they also smudge by the time. So for keeping it fixed, है ना, we use fixative spray, but take help of someone elders, because they are very harmful and chemical based. So I don't recommend, but still if you want to go for, so this is the solution for this. Okay, I'll give you time of 1 or 2 minutes. I think that would be more than enough for all of you. So what we did, first we erased all lines. When you want to go for pencil shedding, first you will complete your sketching part. Okay, after that, like see, you can see such lovely shiny greyish tone, है ना? So for using grey color, if you want to use grey color in any landscape, है ना, so you can try pencil shedding also. You can give place to pencil shedding also in that particular place. This will come up very beautifully because of its very beautiful radiant effect. Okay, yeah, little pause I will take so that you can finish. By the time I will return back to my story. So when he was traveling through a village, and he stay in a ashram kind of cottage. So one lady lost his baby, was very newly born actually, and like for any mother, like nothing could be as sad as this could be. So this lady was in a very low life state, and when came to know that Lord Buddha has come, so was having a light of hope in heart that Lord Buddha will definitely do some magic and my baby will be alive again. Though with tears but with hope in heart, this lady decided to reach and meet to Lord Buddha so that could request so that the baby could be alive one more time. Can you lift up your files? Hopefully this time is more than enough. Please lift up your files and show your work. Shabash, very good. I can still see many of you are showing thumb down. TK, I'm going to give you 1 more minute, because this is the very first step and I don't want to rush here. But see, those who are left behind after giving this much time also, they need lots of practice. We need to come on that rhythm which will help us completing work in drawing exams and competition on time. So already the pauses I'm taking are quite big. But still those who are left behind, they need little practice. With little practice, you will be able to follow it in perfect way, okay? Chalo, I will wait for little more time and then we will move ahead. By the time I will continue my story. So with this lady with hope and tears in eyes and with this dead newly born baby in hand, Hannah reached to Lord Buddha and said, Ki Buddha, you can do anything. And you know through which pain I'm going through. Please make my baby alive. You can do this. So Lord Buddha looked at that mom and understood that if I will say that death is the truth of the life, like whatever, because this life is what? It's this ongoing process. If you will observe plants, flowers, animals, birds, with everyone it's happening. Those who have taken birth will have to go through death. And your life, your soul, your energy within is immortal. It never die. But your body, which is getting deteriorated by the time, or many times due to many reasons, death is ultimate end of this physical appearance of ours. Now, can I check the work now? Will you please lift up files? And after this also, those who are left behind, I will suggest them to switch on now, so that remaining you can even do after the class. Perfect. It's a beautiful and lovely work. I will request all of you to lift up your files, everyone. Shabash. I'm using 8B pencil, and many students were showing their artworks also. I'm so happy you're trying your hands on such amazing artworks, different artworks. It is going to help you go a lot, and even other artworks which you're trying, you can share those also on WhatsApp. I will love to share my feedback and suggestion for that too. Acha, now what we will do? Now we will come on the detailing. So again, you will take your paper, and now I will request all of you to close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes. And move your fingers on your face. Take it to go upper side of your eyes. Upper side of your eyes, so you will see little depth there. On eyelid, there is little depth. On the side of eyes, again there is depth. Then come on side of nose, near nostrils, you will again feel a depth there. Come on, with closed eyes, come on, move your fingers. It will help you understand where you will keep darker tone and where you are going to use darker tones. Now come on your cheeks. You can see these are little elevated, higher surface, higher place of, come on your chin. It's again little elevated, but upper side, below lip, there is a depth. Move your finger. Ears, inner portion is depth, outer portion is little elevated, So see now, try to understand. If you are confused while making this face study, you simply move your finger. The features which are coming in depth, they will go darker, and the features which are elevated, little like on not in depth, little highlighted, those will come lighter. This is the rule of shedding darker and lighter tone everywhere, whether you are using your colors, whether you are using watercolors, or whether you are using pencil shading. The simplest is forehead is again little, but the sides, they are depth, little sides like. So chalo, now let's get started with, and let's learn how to complete it. Yes, so I will come on Lord Buddha again. I will take my paper and I will start doing. So let's start with hair first. So what I will do, I will keep my paper this way so that my hand will not touch face, and now you will start with the hair part, okay? What you will do now, you will take your pencil, you will make your circle little darker. Okay, you will make your circle 2 times, and even lower inner circle 2 times darker. Okay, the lines which you made, you will simply very carefully move 2 times on the spiral shape you made before. Okay, 2 times. Try to move it 2 times. I will show you so that you can continue. See, everywhere on each and every line, we will start from head, okay, so that the lines would be untouched. Our hand will not come on face again and again. So you will simply move on each line 2 times, and I am using 8B pencil for this. You can see my spiral shape is very much compact. And this is the way you will continue and continue. Okay, this is the way. Come on. You will finish each and every spiral very carefully. Try to move it 2 times, and those who are using like 5B or 6B, they will have to use it 3 times, I think. And you will finish each and every shape this way. Come on, do this. And we want to keep it quite dark, and we want to merge these colors. So what we will do now, already gray is there, and we used gray, we spread gray with the technique which I showed you before. So already inside we have this gray color, and now to make it looking more highlighted, say this jewelry, whatever part of jewelry you have, you will continue with this. Come on, do this much, and then be ready with your earbud. Okay, be ready with your earbud, because now we are going to add detailing with earbud. I will return back to my story. By the time when you all are completing this, I will give you time of 2 minutes more. 2 minutes I think are enough. We will see, if needed we will extend the time. Take it, finish it. But whatever you are doing, do with lots of efforts and nicely. Take it. I will extend the time if needed. So what happened then? She reached to Lord Buddha and was like lots of grief in heart, in very low life condition, with this newly born baby in hand, and tell Buddha, you can do. I heard you turn poison of life in medicine. You can do anything. You are God. So Lord Buddha said no. We all are human, and Buddha was able to understand, if I will start preaching that God, death is ultimate truth of life. So this lady will not able to understand all this, because she is in extreme pain, extreme grief, because newly born baby is in this condition in her lap. So what Lord Buddha said, okay, I will do the magic, but will you do something for me? I need one ingredient. So you get that ingredient arranged, and I will make your baby alive. So that baby, like with a hope and smile on face, this lady told, give me any task, and I will do at any cost. Please tell me what I'm supposed to do. Done? Can I check the work? No, I will wait. So many are asking and showing their thumb down. I don't want to rush at all, because this face study and pencil shading in it, which is one of your favorite part, many times children, I will open the face part again so that you can at least see the face. Many times children, when they share other artwork also, I am able to observe they are making face study a lot. It shows that how much love they have for face study. They'll make different faces. That's why I decided I will cover up face study in my syllabus. One more minute I will give, as many of you have not done. Yeah. And after the class, with help of recorded session, please revise. Otherwise what will happen? You will forget, and this is very important drawing, which will help you grow in field of face study. And if you want to draw many faces with reference drawings, visit our Artgeo shop, and you will find many portraits with this kind of step-by-step guidance available. Few are with colors, few are with pencil colors, and few are with pencil shading also. Yes, done. I think now we shall move ahead. Those who are left behind, now remaining they can do after the class. Now what you will do, you will simply take your earbud and you will start. And if you feel that with earbud that effect is not coming, so you can simply drag and on charcoal. So see, I will simply move on every line earbud, and what will happen, the charcoal will smudge and your line will look like this. Okay, with earbud I am doing this. Okay, you will do this with earbud. And continue this ways. Okay, this ways you will continue and smudge. How simple it. Put gray before only, and afterwards we simply move, and with earbud we are doing. And with earbud what will happen, you will find very beautiful soft merging which will look very, and this earbud now, can you see this earbud? It is having lots of charcoal collected on its tip. It is going to add a magic to our artwork, okay? So keep this earbud now carefully because we are going to use this earbud throughout. And this ways we will complete hair part. And those who are using 4B or 5B pencil, they will find lesser darker tone. You know, that's why I suggested you to. So see, this is the way you will move it all over, and I'm simply moving it one more time, and I will complete all the spirals with earbud, and in no time lovely mixing of it will happen, and the output which you would be having is this. In no time, effortlessly, even a child can do this. And same you can try for hair. Suppose you are making a girl with open hair, so you simply make lines and afterwards with earbud you smudge those lines and you will find hair perfectly done. And see, this is the way we will complete hair. Now we will come on forehead. Okay, I will wait, I will check everyone's work and then we will move ahead. I will keep face open and by the time I will continue my story. So what happened in that story, Lord Buddha told this lady that I want an ingredient to make your baby alive for doing this magic. So you go and get me some mustard seeds from the home where nobody, this incident of death has not happened ever. And like the home where death has never reached. And from that home, get me some mustard seeds and I will do magic and your baby will be alive. So with hope in eyes, with smile on face, this lady simply rushed and decided from at least this is a simple task, I will definitely get it soon and my baby will be alive. And started rushing door to door. So she knocked first door, knock knock, and then the gate was open. And she asked, will you please give me mustard seeds? So that the neighbors, they said, yes, of course we have. But she asked, but I want to know, death ever happened in this home? So they said, yes, few months back only my mother died. She was old age and sick, but she died. We are in grief. So this lady said, no, I can't accept mustard seeds from you. I will go to some another home. Okay, now can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show me your work? I can still see few thumbs down. 1 minute more and then we will move ahead. Okay? Yeah. So she rushed to next door and knocked the door and again it was open. Achha, in village people were very good, kind-hearted. So when she said, I need some mustard seeds, my Lord Buddha will do magic and my baby will be alive. So they were also very happy. So she requested to give some mustard seeds and very readily they wanted to give. But the question of lady was same. Did death happen in this home ever? So yeah, one farmer, he said, few days back only, my younger son died in an accident, road accident. And then she knocked the next place. Will you please lift up files and show? Perfect. Now those who are left behind, they will do the remaining part afterwards. You can do this after the class also. Now we will start with face. Okay. So now head. And this head part which we did like this, we are going to take paper, charcoal. Now see, now one more trick we are going to use. So we will take paper, we will use our charcoal over. Come on, do this. I will go very slow because this is that technique with which we are going to complete it and you will find the output amazing. And using this technique when you will develop your artworks, you will find amazing and outstanding results. Okay? Yeah. So you will take some charcoal this ways. And now the earbud, can you see lots of charcoal is already there. You can see the tip, it is quite black. You will take little more and very softly softly you will start using this cotton. Come on, drag it straight. Again take some charcoal and drag straight line from corner, keeping it little depth in the corner, and again little charcoal, and here soft lines, very soft lines you will be making, not dark. Okay, we don't want it very dark, we simply want to keep it softly moving this ways. Okay, near here also you can move. So see, when things are overlapping, it casts its shadow. So here little darker tone in corner will make it looking good. Yes, come on, do this. And for this what you will do, you will use earbud and you will collect charcoal from paper. You will not move your pencil directly on this. For extreme darker tone, and at some places we will learn how to use pencil also. Come on, do this much. And we add little of darker tone, and see the tones are quite soft as we use earbud, not pencil. We very smartly collected charcoal and we are using that charcoal for completing the work. Okay, come on, do this part. We will complete forehead part. After this the roll of eraser will come. Okay, yes, for extreme lighter tone we use eraser. And the forehead, this middle part I want to keep, and on eyebrows, so you will not erase it or moving it harsh. Softly, very softly you will pick up the charcoal. Just as feather touch, you will move your eraser with feather touch and the charcoals will be collected. And if your tip is black, suppose this tip is black, move it on a rough surface and it will be clean. Okay, so this is the way to clean it. Suppose this is so black. So if I will move it here, automatically the upper surface will go and it will be clean. Okay, so this is the way you will clean it. Done. Can I check this? I want to check the forehead part. Yeah, and with earbud I simply made this part lighter. Shabash, very good, very nice. Yes. Now what you will do, you will take your eraser, clean your eraser first, clean your eraser. If you feel that you are not able to, it is quite dirty, to clean it first. And now what you will do, you will simply softly, very softly you will erase this line, where you want to show this sign of prakash, enlightenment, wisdom. You will erase this line, make kind of circle here, and very softly you will move, very softly, don't pressurize, softly you will move upper side of eyebrow. What will happen? Little lighter, little clean surface you will find then. Or we can do one thing, don't do this part, it will I think confuse you. Don't do this, only the middle eyeball, middle enlightenment where we want to show, only clean that. And I think that this part is going to create confusion, let it be. And you will make this line smudged again. But this time we kept light around, because this is enlightenment. This is the point of enlightenment, from where the Gyan arise. Okay? Yeah. Come on, do this. And after this we will complete eyebrows and lines of nose first. Okay? Yeah. So this ways from down to bottom we will come. So what will happen? Our face will be untouched. If you will do little part here, little, again the colored portion, the completed part will keep getting touched with your hand and will create a problem while doing the work as well. Yes. So see, this is the way we completed forehead part, and I want to check it one more time. Shabash, very good. It's perfect. Yes. a few seconds more and then we will move ahead. Okay. So what happened then? Third door she knocked with a hope that here at least nobody would have died, and their very old age couple was living. So with a hope that they are very old age, so I think like nobody would be dead, they are still alive. So she knocked and then they replied that our grandson died because of snake bite, and they were also in grief. So she found no, she kept knocking right from morning till night. But there was no home in that village where death has never knocked the gate. And while doing all this, she was able to realize that everyone has lost their beloved one, because death is the ultimate truth of the life. She is not the only one who has come across this kind of very difficult situation. Everyone have to, because death is ultimate truth of life. Okay, now you are going to make eyebrows. For making eyebrows, you will keep your hand over and you will make your lines little thick here, pointed at, and same here. You can make your lines little thick, and placing your hand on this paper, you will complete this shape of eyebrow. Make it dark with pencil. Okay, I am using HB pencil only. Here also. And let's complete eyelid. Okay, we will complete eyelids, finish eyebrow, and if you want to complete nose also, very carefully you will highlight your nose. Now if you will put your finger on this part of nose, you will see it is elevated feature. So elevated, it means it will go light. Light, it means it will erase a darker tone. Here it is quite, it is depth. This portion is quite elevated, so here it will go light, and again little depth we could add here. Come on, complete eyebrows and this middle portion of nose. Make sure you will move it very carefully so that the lines would not look double. So very carefully your line should fall on it. And whatever you are doing, do with lots of patience, stability in your hands, okay? Yeah, it's very important. And now we will work on detailing of eyes, eyelids, and everything. So first we will make these lines a little darker. Okay, come on, very carefully you will do this. Done. Can I check this? Will you please lift up files and show this work? Everyone, perfect, amazing, very good. Now what we will do? We will start with this. So I will take paper, I will put little charcoal again, the same earbud which is already black, I will collect it, and now we will start with the work. So what you are going to do, you will put this part, touch this portion of your eyes, and you will find depth here. So you are simply going to show a depth here, this part you will show little depth. Again take charcoal and with help of earbud, and make sure your line should look soft and smooth. Okay? And same you can do here. Now say if you feel that you want to show the source of light from here, then you can keep this part little lighter, but we will keep both the parts equal. I think that will be easy to manage for you. So we will simply show lines here, darker tone here. Softly you will add darker tone here. Near nose it would be very dark, and then it will go far, it will be little lighter. It could be little lighter also. And don't make it too thick. You can erase a thin line is enough. And now when you erase, you immediately put this. And this is the way we will keep little darker tone here around. Okay, upper lid. We will simply keep it this ways. Okay. So I simply put little darker tone here around nose, okay, and upper side of eyelid. Here we will show little darker. You will be showing little on the tip of nose if you want. You can smudge the line. And now you will highlight your eyes. Highlight your eyes. And when you will be picking up colors, like charcoal, you want to go for lighter tone. So you will simply touch your eraser with feather touch, and this is the way you will complete your eyelid. Nicely, and make this lower portion little darker. Okay, so this is the way we completed. Now we will pick up little charcoal from here. What ways I will show you. Finish this. So I spread little black around nose. Yeah. Done. 1 minute time I am giving, and then we will move ahead. Perfect. Now you will take eraser and you will erase the line of nose. This is elevated, so we want to keep it quite light. You can put little grey softly, but we want it comparatively lighter. Okay, and same here, like you will simply erase your eyelid and you will make it white. We will add little of, or you can erase the center part of eyelid. Nicely you erase, and dust, for removing dust you can take help of soft paintbrush, or with hand also you can remove. You will collect charcoal. Come on, erase this. So nose you erase, this middle portion of nose you erase nicely, and if you feel that your tip is quite black, move it on a rough paper and do it. So this part we will make clean. And even the middle portion of eyes, you can see the middle part of eyes I completed. I will completely make it white. Now the tones, lighter and darker tones we want to play with. So for this we will have to do this. Now you will take your charcoal, collect some charcoal on paper. Okay, and collect it on earbud. Okay, and what you will do, finished? Can I check this much? I want to check this much. Will you please lift up files and show your work? Wow, this is so beautifully done. Amazing, amazing work. Now what you will do, you will simply drag, softly you will drag it here, softly. Don't pressurize it too much. I am taking little charcoal on this side. And the middle portion I want to keep white, little highlighted. Same here, I will keep little part here darker. And if close your eyes and put your hand over, you will automatically realize the middle part where eyeballs are there, that is elevated, and corners are little depth. Of depth it means dark, elevated it means light. Simple formula for pencil shading. Okay, so we completed eyelids this ways. And now you will take eraser and very softly you will, soft, very soft, you can keep it this ways only, the broader surface you can softly move it. See, the small particle of color was here. So we need to be very careful. A small particle of color came here and see it spread here. So we are supposed to be very much careful. Okay, so see this ways you will softly pick up softly. Okay, and here also you can softly, this is that elevated part that is cheeks. So you will softly, and the complete charcoal, can you see on the surface of the eraser? It will come here, and this line you ignore, and a small particle of color. See, we are supposed to be very careful everywhere, otherwise this kind of things could happen. Okay, yeah. And now after making it lighter, I will take a pause and I want to check the work first, and then we will move ahead. Okay, yeah. Keep it nice. You can see this ways when you will collect it, it will come beautifully. Even here, if you feel that kind of little shape, this should go in standing lines. So you can simply make it little more. Yeah. So see, this is the way I erase a small part here, small part here. This erasing is optional, and if you feel that you're finding it very challenging doing this, then you can leave this part also. And now we will come on lower portion, and that is lips. Okay, lips and ears. In ears, you will simply make deep outlines. Let's complete lips first, and then we will move ahead. So you will take earbud, and this lower portion you can put, and you touch this part, there is a depth. So we will simply show this kind of line here. Touch this portion and over lip, you will be able to feel a depth here. I want to check the work of everyone. Will you please lift up files and show your work? Great, it's amazing, lovely. Now quickly we will complete lips. Okay. So for lips you will go this ways. You are going to make this line straight with dots. Make it dark, and place your hand over and make it dark. We kept lips quite flat, and while giving outline with pencil, try to see what we did. Middle line make extra dark. Again this line is depth, and we will make it extra dark. That's why we avoid giving outlines, because here we will be doing with same. Now you will collect your charcoal, you will take it on earbud. I'll wait, all of you finish this much. And again chin. So again we will use this earbud and we will spread it there. Okay. Okay, now we will take this earbud, and what we will do, we will start making lips. So for lips you will show the corners. Again, if you will put your fingers on lips, you will be able to realize corners are little depth and middle portion is quite highlighted. So we will simply add corners little black this ways, and we will complete lips. Come on, make corners little darker. You can see slowly, gradually, the face is getting shape. We will collect more charcoal. Do this. All of you finished lips. I will check lips first, and then we will move ahead. So what I did, I took charcoal on paper, I collect it on earbud, and I simply spread. We all know because we have done it before also. So see, use of eraser will give you extremely lighter tone, and use of paper on which you will take charcoal and you will turn it upside down will give you grayish look, and use of earbud will give you middle tone. So using these tricks and techniques, your work will be very refined, output would be very like eye catchy and even. है ना? So this tricks and techniques if you will use, you will see your artwork will look great. Now chalo, let's quickly complete chin part also. Take little charcoal and put little here in center to show chin. Now quickly we will complete it. Ears, and in ears the deeper portion will go darker, outer portion will go lighter. Final lines now we have. So we are going to finalize the final lines and the lines of face as well. Make sure your hand should not touch colored part. Okay, so you will keep paper and slowly you will give the outline to the face. Okay, and ears. You will finish it nicely. And inner portion you can keep darker. Let's complete ears first. So again we will take charcoal. We will collect it. By this time our earbud is having enough charcoal. So that is going to make our work quite easy. You will simply smudge and you can do it. So little of charcoal if you will take now, as it is having lots of charcoal already in it, so your work will be quite quick. Don't forget your hand will not touch face part which is already done. Okay, the outer portion we are going to keep lighter because that is elevated, inner portion darker, and we will complete neckline also this ways. Now the shadow of face on impact on cloth also. Okay, this lower view. Okay, as I can read in message, I think the lower portion is now clearly visible, although I have given full view right from beginning so that everything would be clearly visible. So here you can see neck part we will do, and again we are going to use charcoal and earbud for adding this. But what ways you will add this we will learn now. Okay? Now with third eye you can add third eye and make a like a jata and a moon in here, and you can use the same artwork for Lord Shiva. है ना? With few changes. Once you know how to make one face, you can try it for many more. And now you are going to take charcoal, but before this I want to check the work. Yes, I will check the work of everyone and then we will move ahead. Done? Yes, I am able to see now like the very first step when we made, you took much time, and now see slowly we are able to understand what ways the colors will work. So this is going to help a lot. Now you will take charcoal again, and how to make this? You will start with standing lines. You will start with standing lines. Slowly the same size of standing lines you will make. So as the shape is curved, even the lines will go curved here. And for this I am taking charcoal on earbud and I am making. Okay. And after making these lines, you can smudge. This side you can make it little bigger if you want, or you can simply smudge. Don't take much color because we simply want to smudge, keeping these lines little highlighted, which is near this. It will add a 3D look to the work, and because everything which is overlapping is casting its shadow. So here the face is like above it, so it is casting its shadow. So that's why we showed it this ways. And this side you can keep it little bigger, because here we want to show cloth also. If you feel that your color is going lighter, you can take more. Work is almost over. You can finish this. Yes, I'll take a pause and finish this part, and again you will take help of charcoal. Okay, you will simply move with standing lines, and equally big, and afterwards you will drag this line till this portion. Okay, and this is the way you are going to show depth here. And now last but not the least, cloths. And for making cloths we will be using the very first step which we use for making hair. We will simply make lines little highlighted, and then with earbud we will merge. Although it could be done with earbud with using the same technique also. So yes, all of you finish. I'll wait. I don't want to rush at all, so that each and every step would be very clear and you will understand it nicely. In background, like if you want to use some color, you can go with color. If you feel that orange, little orange, and just to add a spark in drawing, this point here, if you want to use little orange, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it completely this ways. Just to show that impact of light, you can see I kept this portion quite nicely white. Okay, now these lines softly, move your pencil softly and make these lines. Take little charcoal on earbud from paper, from piece of paper. Okay, I can see thumb down, many students are showing. One more minute, I will wait. One more minute I will give to, so that you can finish, because many children are messaging to wait. And so I made these lines dark with this pencil softly, you will not pressurize it too much. And you will merge, smudge your lines nicely and make it little more darker. Okay. Last but not the least, you will take little of orange. Okay? Little of orange, and you can drag it around the whole artwork. If this is optional, come on, do this. I'll check it once and then we will drag it. And see, little like mistake could make this happen. And oil pastel colors, like oil pastel color which was on my table, and that's why we avoid using oil pastel in junior batch. Because the intensity of this color is that high that even a dust particle could do this thing. So when your hand is quite set, then in senior batch we prefer using. So just a small particle, and this mark is here to see it shows that you are supposed to be very attentive. You will take your orange color and just to on side, okay? You can simply drag it this ways. And it is your choice. If you feel that I don't want to go with this color, you can simply skip this. And you can even leave the background white also, but some color will definitely add beauty. So here if you will add yellow, so that energy, that energy which is oozing out from the body, this impact will come, and very soft lines we are going to add. Okay, not very dark lines, because our complete focus should be on our portrait. So we will not add any background, any dot. Already our work is quite detailed and has occupied the complete space. So we are going to keep it this ways. And now you can say your artwork is done. Even if you feel here also you want to simply put little of orange, you can. And this is your portrait of Lord Buddha ready. Yes, all of you finish, and then I will check the work. And please don't forget to share this artwork on WhatsApp. Hold this work in your hand, give a badi wali smile, and tell your mama to take your click. Enough. I want your artwork in your hands with you. Okay, try to share your name also, so that while framing voice messages for you, I could take your name. Okay, and revise this, because face study is very important chapter of drawing, and without revision you will not get better and deeper understanding. Everything need revision for better understanding, and you can try many more portraits as you learn the basics, which are available on our Art shop. Okay, so Bhagat Singh's drawing is there, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Gandhi ji, and many renowned partially side face Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and not only front face, partially side face, complete side face. We have covered up all different postures also with very simple techniques. You all did excellent work. I want all of you to lift up your files and show me your work. Everyone, please. Even though I know you are continuing, you can continue it afterwards. It's excellent and outstanding work. And see, even a beginner can try this kind of work, keeping the output very mature. Lovely work you all did. I love it completely. And please do share, okay, if you enjoy today's class. And I will conclude the story. So this lady realized that death is ultimate truth. And she returned back and she said, I want to join. I want Diksha. I want to learn this philosophy of Buddhism. Because she realized this is ultimate truth, and the demand that make my baby alive, it disappear. Understanding the truth and reality of the life. So this is the story, and afterwards she became follower of Buddhism. Okay, so you all did amazing work. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's class and today's story. If yes, show me a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to share the work. Okay, the size of paper is middle size of A3 and A4. Take care. Bye bye.